Hey guys, you are welcome here. I'm going to share with you the recipe for this immune booster drink. Please continue watching. So for the list of our ingredients, we will be needing some fresh turmerics. We'll be needing some celery. If you don't have access to celery, you can just use cucumber. Here I have some pineapple. I have two cucumbers. I have three lemons. You can also use lime if you prefer, and I have some ginger. I also have some stalks from my previous pineapple. I just saved the stalks to use in this recipe. So the first thing is just to go ahead and wash all your vegetables. Just wash everything properly. After washing them, just cut them into smaller chunks and transfer into a big pot that you use for cooking. In case you don't know the benefits of celery, celery is very rich. Okay, it is a great antioxidant. It has lots of minerals and nutrients. It reduces inflammation. It is good for the digestive system. It is good for the skin also, and it helps to build your immune system. So just go ahead and wash the celery. After washing, just cut them into pieces and transfer into a pot. Remember, if you don't have celery or if you don't have access to it where you are, just make use of cucumber. Okay, cucumber is another vegetable that is high in antioxidants. Our body goes through a process of oxidation, and during that process it releases some free radicals. Those free radicals cause lots of chronic illnesses including cancer, but the antioxidative property found in cucumber counteracts those effects. Then go ahead and cut your turmeric and ginger into small chunks. You may grind it or blend it if you prefer. Ginger and turmeric are highly medicinal. They boost the immune system. They also help in fighting some respiratory illnesses like flu, cold, and so many other ailments you might think of. Remember that the benefits of these ingredients here are numerous, and I can't even mention them here. Okay, I'm just saying the few that I can remember at the moment and that relate to what I'm using it for at the moment. So just know that they have lots of benefits, including weight loss property. They help to prevent digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and it also helps you to lose some belly fat. Okay, if you pair it with the right diet. Okay, then pineapple is another fruit that is high in antioxidant properties. It boosts your immune system, it suppresses inflammation. Apart from that, the pineapple gives this juice a very sweet and just that satisfying taste. Okay, this juice doesn't taste bad at all, it tastes very good. Then just go ahead and pour water into the pot. Just pour enough water because that is the juice that we want. Then transfer to your stove and cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. This was after 30 minutes. As you can see, the whole thing is just boiling. I just covered it back and I allowed it to boil more for another 30 minutes, and this was after 30 minutes. Our juice is ready at this point. Next thing I did was just to turn off the heat. Then I allowed the contents of the pot to cool down there. I just left everything there for 24 hours because I just wanted to give all those vegetables and fruits time to seep out all their nutrients. I just want all their flavors and their nutrients to just continue seeping into the water. So that was why I left it for 24 hours. Then this was after 24 hours. What I did was just to boil it again for just 10 minutes. Then after that 10 minutes, I then sieved out the chaff, that is the fiber, the chaff from the fruit, and then I had my juice. For this juice, you can drink it morning and night. Okay, morning before breakfast and at night time before bedtime. Okay, if that makes sense. Then I store it in my fridge, and before I drink it, I like to drink it warm. Okay, I just microwave it for just 1 minute or 2 minutes, then I drink it while it is still warm. It is so soothing, it doesn't taste bad at all, it is so soothing and calming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you. Bye.